You tell her to take your stuff.
Well, y'all, motor mounts in.
She already has it out.
Cross member in.
He didn't say nothing.
Gear shift hooked up. Wiring. I just need to go get a hot battery. Radiator. That's easy shit. Starter hooked up. I just need to change the oil filter.
I'm telling him I'm gonna call the police.
And bring that muffler back this way. Hook up the speedo. And we on. Yeah, man, niggas beat the whole oil pan up trying to get this motherfucker in here.
Look.
See, we got it in with the cat. It hit different. Oh, nigga, tired, boy.
He hasn't even touched her yet.
I'll be doing this shit. Come fuck with it every now and a second.
Keep her there.
Make sure this motherfucker is A1.
Have you guys seen these?
Gotta drop the tank next. See what's up with these fuel lines.
Picks up like a can of soda. Hits him with that. And kicks him.
Beat up another pulley. I need to bend that out.
Is there a way to save it so it doesn't get erased? Yes. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
With the hammer real quick. But we on. Fucked up this damn thing.
I'm just gonna tell you what's on the video, what I saw. He didn't touch her.
Listening to cops.
The only time he touched her is when she maced him. And then
Yeah, man, I'm gonna see how I can fix, put another cap on that. We trying to make this thing smallable. Doing the bullshit with small. But you see how I got my shit set up. I'm always doing some bullshit with my shows on. Look this bullshit bitch. I don't know who she is, but she is drama. So yeah, man, I'm going to see. Show y'all what I'm talking about. Wiring. Temp.
And I'm just gonna be straight with you right now.
Just gotta go through all the vacuum line situation. Hook up.
Does he touch you?
I got the new passing gear.
That's it. It's all on video.
But everything up under this motherfucker is there. That's what I'm dreading right here is dropping this motherfucking tank, man. Dropping this motherfucking tank. That ain't nothing. The old Caprice, man, the old Boxx, she gonna be back to life.
Before he grabbed you. At no point in this altercation were you ever touched.
No, just letting y'all see what it is, man. Letting y'all see it's in there,
you can go to
man.
the hospital now. If they want to press charges,
Dry shaft in there. Cross member in there. You know, just the mediocre shit, man. So what we gonna do next?
Hey guys, you're good to go.
Radiator. What else? Vacuum lines. What else? Shit, I don't know, man. I'm just going with the punches with this motherfucker. But it's looking real promising right now. I wish I could turn it off. If I had a hot battery, I'd turn it over. This battery dead in the motherfucker. That's how a nigga like me be working, man. That's what's gonna be a banger. I gotta figure out all them little hoops and hollers go. Them little plugs and shit like this. I need to know where that go. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that can't be doing that. That's for sure catch fire. No. But we getting closer, y'all. We getting closer. We will be seeing what this motherfucker do. With all this bogus ass wires somebody done hooked up in here. Yes, sir. I'm gonna drop another little short Tomorrow I should be able to drop the tank, show y'all that, put a new fuel pump in it. Once I put the new fuel pump, start cleaning this motherfucker out. Start cleaning it out. And go from there. This poor bitch needs some help, man. I found a crack pipe in this motherfucker a minute ago too, man. That's why I was like, damn, look at the front seat, man. It's rough, y'all. But when they rough like this, when they come back and they done, man, fuck around, take these seats out, throw them in the cutty. Yeah, y'all gonna be here with me, man, for the whole clean down, man. Visors and shit, that shit's garbino. Oh. Yeah, man, felt the crack pipe. Now I'm gonna do all the locks. Clean it out, man. I'm gonna show y'all the whole process, man. I may gonna bump that little bullshit radio for y'all. You know what I'm saying? But it's down to the nitty gritty now, shit. Just tightening up now. Tightening up everything, man. Fuck, this shit kicked my ass. But it's gonna be well worth it. Y'all ready for the first start up? How many times you think it's gonna take to start this big motherfucker? I think 2 turns. Prime that fuel pump, maybe 1 turn. You know what I'm saying? That motherfucker pop, 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 pop. They just fire up, be quiet. You know what I'm saying? This is what we do. I ain't even clean this motherfucker like I wanted to. I'll do it a little, you know, this is gonna be the little getter. See what people say. But this shit going to my daddy. I ain't even worried about this shit, man. I'm just doing this for my dad, man. Cut this motherfucker out, let him tear it up. I don't even give a fuck. He deserve it. Real cool dude, man. Talked to him today. He said, when is my motherfucking car done? I said, I'm working on it, Dad. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Motherfucker look like it been cut before. You never know. If it was, shit, it is what it is, man. Gonna cut it again. Alright, y'all, let me go in and get off. That wheel look buckled like a motherfucker. I'm gonna get with y'all, man. This was a little short, man, letting y'all know what's going on with the box. Letting y'all see the movement that I'm doing, man, with this motherfucker. We'll be ready to fire.